Ever wondered about the sleek, concise syntax of arrow functions in ES6? It's a game changer in JavaScript, and today we're delving deep into its intricacies. In the realm of JavaScript, arrow functions, a feature introduced in ECMAScript 6 or ES6, offer a more condensed syntax for creating functions. Their primary advantage shines through when crafting short inline functions. Imagine you're writing a function to add two numbers. In standard JavaScript, you would define it using the function keyword. With arrow functions, you'll use the arrow equals sign syntax. Here's how it works. You write const add equals, then your parameters in parentheses, in this case a and b. After that, you put your fat arrow equal sign, and then your function body in curly braces. Inside, you'd write return a plus b. But arrow functions can be even more concise. If your function body consists of only one expression, you can drop the curly braces and the return keyword. The result of your expression will automatically be returned. So our add function becomes const add equals ab arrow a plus b. In an even more condensed form, if your function has just one parameter, you can drop the parentheses around the parameter list. So a function to square a number, x, would be const square equals x arrow x times x. Now let's talk about this. Arrow functions don't have their own this context. They inherit it from the surrounding code, which can be handy when working with object methods or event handlers. If you have an object, say person, with a method greet that sets a timeout, inside that timeout you can use this.name, and it will correctly refer to the name property of the person object. But there's a caveat. Arrow functions don't have their own arguments object. If you need to use function arguments, you'll have to use rest parameters, denoted by or what args. And finally, arrow functions can't be used as constructors with the new keyword. They lack the internal method necessary for creating instances. To sum it all up, arrow functions are a neat tool in ES6 for writing more concise JavaScript code, especially for simple inline functions. But they come with their own set of quirks like lexical scoping and the lack of certain features. Use them wisely, and they can make your code easier to read and write, but remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Happy coding!